"Hi Bixby, take a screenshot for me." And he did it. Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you a few things that you can do with Bixby on Samsung phones. You just saw that you can take a screenshot. Now let me show you another things. So you can also set an alarm with Bixby. You need to say, "Hi Bixby, set an alarm for tomorrow at 8 a.m.
Your alarm for tomorrow at 8 o'clock will go off in 17 hours 40 minutes.
And now let's check it. For that you need to go on your phone to clock, and here is the alarm. You can also enable or disable flashlight with Bixby. You need to say, "Hi Bixby, enable the flashlight," and here there is. Now, "Hi Bixby, turn off flashlight," and he did it again. Now, you can put this phone on silent with Bixby. You need to say, "Hi Bixby, turn on silent mode."
Got it. I set your device to silent.
Let's see, and he did it. Now, "Hi Bixby, turn off silent mode."
What do you want to set it to?
Set it on sound.
Your device is on silent. Okay, your device is on sound.
Now let's see. And he didn't. Let's try again. "Hi Bixby, turn off silent mode."
What shall I set it to?
Set it on sound.
Okay, your device is on sound.
Now let's see. And we are back on sound. Okay, good job Bixby. Now, you can also turn on or turn off Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It's the same. As you can see now, my Wi-Fi is turned off. So let's say, "Hi Bixby, turn on Wi-Fi."
Okay, I turned on the Wi-Fi.
Okay, let's see. And here is the Wi-Fi icon, and he did it. Now, it's the same also for Bluetooth. And the last thing that I want to show you is how to turn off or restart your phone using Bixby. You just need to say, "Hi Bixby, restart this phone."
Should I restart it?
Yes. Okay. And this thing is very good when your buttons doesn't work. You just need to wait for a few seconds. And now we are back. So these are a few things that you can do with Bixby. Please let me in the comment area what another commands for Bixby you know it. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.